For budget-conscious travelers seeking for a comfortable and convenient stay in Taiwan, look no further than Via Breeze Hotel in New Taipei City. We recently enjoyed a fantastic 8-night, 9-day stay there and highly recommend it. It's a 4-star hotel, just check out how nice the lobby is. They have a 24-hour front desk, so they can assist you anytime. For me, what truly sets this hotel apart are its exceptional amenities. Check out our special bedroom with incredibly cozy beds and large TV. They also provided a massager. We use this every night. A work desk, couch, and another television on the living area. Slippers are provided. Water heater, a drawer with water, coffee, and some snacks which can be refilled upon request free of charge. Yes, we ask this at the front desk and we request for chips every night. There's also a mini ref. Their Wi-Fi is pretty good. Check out the supersized bathroom, boasted both a bathtub and a shower that doubles as a sauna. Perfect for unwinding after a long day of sightseeing. The high-tech toilet was another surprising touch of luxury. The size of our room is really comfortable for a family of 4 like us or even more. This is the view from our room, while Via Breeze Hotel is located a bit outside the bustling famous night markets. Its prime advantage is its proximity to the MRT station, just a 2-minute walk away. Honestly, this makes exploring popular tourist spots effortless, ensuring that we never feel too far from the action. This is also close to a lot of convenience stores and local restaurants. Some famous fast foods around the area are Sukiya, McDonald's, and KFC. All supplies like toothbrush, comb, shaver, cottons, dental floss, soap, even candies can be replenished at the 24-hour front desk. Adding to the convenience, Via Breeze Hotel also offers a free self-service laundry area. This is a huge plus for longer stays. There's also a spa near this area. For me, one of the standout features is this 24-hour traveler's kitchen, a real game changer for budget travelers. It's stocked with complimentary snacks and drinks until supplies last, including bread, soup, oatmeal, cereals, and instant noodles for breakfast, and chips and yogurts for snacks. And at 10 p.m., there's also instant noodles available. Even though this is not a full breakfast, we save a lot of money because we didn't have to go out just to look for a place to have breakfast. We love the coffee and tea at the hotel. We look forward to eating these yummy breads and jams for breakfast every morning during our stay. For the soup, they have vegetable and seafood soup in the morning. For the spreads and jams, they have peanut butter, strawberry, and blueberry jams. I really love their black sesame spread in the morning. It's different and something new that I've only tasted in Taiwan. If you happen to go to the Traveler's Kitchen in the afternoon, they have yogurts, pudding, and even vinegar juice. They have soda, apple, and orange juice, teas, UCC, and Dr. Coffee machines. My favorite is their cappuccino and mocha, while my kids enjoy their hot Milo and hot milk tea every morning. We literally go in this traveler's kitchen in the morning before we go out to refill our water bottles with drinks. And when we come back at the hotel at night to have some coffee before we relax in our room. The combination of comfortable accommodations, thoughtful amenities, and excellent service made our Taiwan tour truly memorable. The staff are incredibly nice and welcoming, enhancing the overall experience. Via Breeze Hotel truly provides a fantastic value stay, allowing you to relax and recharge without breaking the bank.